love luxury motorhomes like this one, make sure you hit that like button right now.
Subscribe for more incredible RV tours and drop a comment telling us your favorite feature.
If you
Stop scrolling because what you are about to see is not a motorhome. It is a moving 6-level mansion worth $30 million, built by Kenworth, and it looks more like a skyscraper. And before we go any further, hit subscribe right now because this channel keeps finding the wildest machines on Earth, and you do not want to miss the next one. Look at the exterior first. The size is unreal. The height, the length, the presence, everything about it makes normal RVs look tiny. The body sits like a luxury fortress on wheels, with a bold front end and massive proportions that scream power from every angle. Even standing next to it, you can barely process how huge this thing really is. Now let's start from the ground floor. This is where the experience begins, and it already feels like a luxury estate. The garage area opens up with serious space, built to handle premium vehicles, storage, and travel essentials with ease. Move forward and you reach the drive cabin, where the driver sits inside a command center packed with smart controls, digital displays, and advanced technology that makes this giant machine feel smooth and controlled. Right beside that, the elevator becomes the heart of the entire motorhome. This is not just a convenience, it is the connection between all 6 levels, turning the whole vehicle into a true vertical mansion. The ground floor also includes a smart office area, giving the owners a place to work while traveling across America. And with people moving through the space, it feels alive, like a real luxury residence in motion. Take the elevator up to the first level, and the mood changes instantly. This is the social zone, where style and comfort come together. Here you get the lounge, the dressing area, and the party club bar area, all designed for entertainment and relaxation. The lighting, finishes, and layout make this level feel like a high-end private club. It is the kind of place where the night starts quietly and ends with everyone remembering they stepped into a rolling palace. Now head to the second level, and this is where the private comfort begins. This floor is built around the bedroom, and that one detail alone changes everything. Instead of a crowded layout, you get a calm, luxurious sleeping space made for rest after long travel days. The room feels spacious, elegant, and secluded, giving the owners a true hotel suite experience. Go up again to the third level, and this is where function takes over in the smartest way possible. The kitchen on this floor is fully integrated, built for serious living instead of quick roadside snacks. Nearby, the bathroom is positioned for convenience and privacy, and the overall layout makes this level feel practical, premium, and thoughtfully designed. It proves this motorhome is not just for show, because every inch has a purpose. The fourth level takes luxury in a different direction. This is where the massage area and medication room come in, turning the motorhome into a wellness retreat on wheels. Imagine crossing the country while having a space dedicated to recovery, relaxation, and personal care. That combination of travel and health-focused luxury is what pushes this machine far beyond anything ordinary. It is not just about arriving somewhere beautiful. It is about feeling amazing while you get there. Now for the fifth level, and this is where the real wow factor explodes. The rooftop deck opens up like a private sky lounge, designed for open-air moments above the road. From here, the views feel cinematic, the atmosphere feels rich, and the whole motorhome suddenly becomes even more unbelievable. And yes, this is the level that makes people stop and stare, because nothing says luxury like standing on your own rooftop deck inside a 6-level mansion on wheels. But the final reveal is the one that seals the deal. The 6th level brings the indoor swimming pool, and that changes everything. This is the kind of feature that sounds impossible until you actually see it inside a motorhome. Add in the smart technology system running throughout the entire build, and you realize this is not just transportation. It is a complete lifestyle machine, engineered for travel, comfort, privacy, and pure wow factor. So when you put it all together, the garage, the cabin, the office, the lounge, the bar, the bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom, the wellness suite, the rooftop deck, and the indoor pool, you are looking at one of the most outrageous luxury creations ever built. If this blew your mind, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, because we are bringing you even bigger surprises next. And honestly, this Kenworth does not just move people. It moves the entire idea of what a motorhome can be.